This video will be discussing waste management processes within Nova Scotia. Increase participation in waste prevention and diversion. Develop new incentives to encourage participation in waste prevention and diversion. Review policy options for packaging and disposal products reduction.
Improved compliance and education programs through working with our partners to review compliance and education related to solid waste resource management. Establish an advisory committee to set objectives and identify compliance and education opportunities.
Increased waste diversion. Review existing regulations to help us meet Nova Scotia's current and future opportunities and challenges for waste diversion. Develop a project plan and identify focus areas.
Increased cost effectiveness of diversion programs. Require renewal of regional plans. Evaluate partnerships. Develop work plan to recommend amending regulations and review roles of existing partners such as RRFB, municipalities, and industry.
Increase producer responsibility for end-of-life management of products and materials. Ensure regulatory environment supports product stewardship, including extended producer responsibilities. Review existing stewardship EPR programs. Identify which programs and materials should be managed by product stewardships and EPR policies.
Increase diversion of construction and demolition waste. Collaborate with construction and demolition waste generators and receivers to develop guidelines around best management practices. Approach stakeholders to form a working group to develop guidelines for best management practices for maximum diversion at minimum costs.
For 100 kilograms at the Otter Lake Waste Management Facility, the tipping fee is $10 plus HST. For the Kaiser Meadows facility, there's no tipping fee. And the Toronto facility is about $15.
Nova Scotia's approach to solid waste diversion treats solid waste as a resource, recognizing that it can result in the creation of jobs through effective and environmentally responsible management. The solid waste resource management strategy that was developed by the Department of the Environment in consultation with municipal governments and the people of Nova Scotia ensures that the people in the province receive the maximum environmental and economic benefits while minimizing the potential increases in the cost of managing solid waste. Waste diversion recognizes that in practical terms, although waste cannot completely be eliminated, the amount of waste going in for disposal can and must be reduced. Many jurisdictions across Canada have adopted waste diversion, as this proven approach can reduce the amount of material being disposed. Successful waste diversion can remove volumes of specific types of material from the waste stream and is based widely on the accepted hierarchy of waste management, which is reduce, reuse, recycle, recovery, and disposal. Recycling is the reprocessing of post-industrial and post-consumer residuals, which can offset the need for new materials in the production of new consumer goods. An example of this would be newsprint, corrugated cardboard, and bond paper, which can be recycled to displace much of the new fiber that would need to be used when processing or producing new paper products. Metals, glass, and plastics can also be recovered from the waste stream and then recycled as new products. Composting also focuses on using materials that cannot be recycled, such as paper, fruits, and vegetables. These materials are left to decompose and can be used as amendments or as cover material, and ultimately, these processes result in less waste being taken to landfills.
Hi, my name is Josh, and welcome to a presentation on the 7 regions of waste management in Nova Scotia. The first region in Nova Scotia is Cape Breton, which includes the entirety of the island of Cape Breton. The second region is the eastern region, which includes Pictou, Antigonish, and Guysborough. The third region is the northern region, which includes Cumberland, Colchester, and East Hants. The fourth region is Halifax and the Halifax Regional Municipality, including the city of Halifax. The fifth region is the Annapolis Valley, east and west portions. The sixth region is the South Shore, including Lunenburg, Queens, and West Hants. Finally, the seventh region is the western region, including Digby, Yarmouth, and Shelburne.
Which has the stinkiest waste facility?
Definitely Cape Breton. Now, a more detailed view of the 7 regions of Nova Scotia. Region 1, Cape Breton, has one landfill site located outside Sydney, the Solid Waste Management Facility. Region 2 also has one landfill site, the Guysborough County Landfill. Region 3 has 2 landfills, one in each county, the Cumberland Central Landfill and the Colchester Balefield Facility. Region 4, Halifax, has one facility, possibly the largest in Nova Scotia and the most advanced, the Otter Lake Landfill Facility, located just outside the city. The Valley has 2 facilities, the Eastern Management Facility and the Western Management Facility. Region 6 has 3 landfills, the West Hants Landfill, the Kaiser Meadow Landfill, and the Queens Municipal Landfill. Finally, Region 7 has no landfills.
Well.